Hi, my name is Gemma. I look after Wellis in Scotland. Today I'm in Garrow Hill in Glasgow and I'm going to present to you the Jupiter Spa, which is a MyLine spa. It's a 2 metre squared, all-round family option to suit everybody. It has got 5 seats and 1 lounger. It has the Bluetooth, the fountains, and also all your lights as well. This here is a plug-and-play spa, so it's really simple. You can have it installed and you just plug it in.
I purchased my hot tub from Gemma. I picked this model as it had 1 sun lounger and 5 seats, and also it was in stock and I got immediate delivery. I go in it with my family and my friends. We've had lots of good times in it and I find it very relaxing and very enjoyable.
It also has waterfalls, it's got the lights and it's got the music to create the all-round perfect ambience and mood.
My favourite feature in the hot tub is the music. I find it very relaxing. Listen to the music while I'm in the hot tub and also enjoy the jets. Been in it with my friends and family. We've had a few hot tub parties. We've all been in together and sometimes it's been snowing. It's been very good. I would recommend the hot tub to my friends and my family. Very well worth the money.